What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, I'll be showing you how to create your own custom indicator, even if you don't know anything about coding. That's okay. As a crypto trader, it's important to know how to create your own unique indicators because there are certain things you want your indicators to have, and you would not be able to find it in TradingView. You might not be able to find it even among the community created indicators, and that's why it's important you're able to create your own. I've been able to create quite a number of indicators, even though I'm not a programmer, even though I don't code. I've been able to create some very unique indicators. In fact, a few days ago I created a unique indicator just for my own personal use. This indicator was created by me. The RSI and the pitchfork, Andrew's pitchfork indicator. It's a unique indicator created by me, and this unusual volume and support defense indicator. And I think this is the best indicator I've created in a long time. Also, with MACD histogram divergence, I also created this indicator using a tool I will share with you in a moment. So, but the indicator I'm most proud of that I've created is this unusual volume and support defense indicator. And what does this indicator do? Well, this indicator shows you if there is unusual buys and unusual sells. So it calculates the average volume and then checks if there is a multiple, like a two times, three times more than that average volume. Then it tells you that this is an unusual buy, this is an unusual sell, because those areas could act as potential areas of support and resistance. And it also has a unique feature whereby it tells you if the volume at a particular um at a if the volume at a particular candle is able, or at a particular zone is able to defend the support. And also it shows you areas of major support, so you can actually use that for support and resistance. So like this is volume spike threshold, which tells you the by how many multiples you want to multiply the average volume to show unusual sells and unusual buys. Let's say I want to multiply it 4 times. So I click OK, and then you will see that there is nothing like that. So I can decide to say, okay, there is no 4 times the average volume, so let me go say 3 times. Okay, you see, so unusual volume, 3.5 times of the normal volume. That's this. Then this is unusual buy, which is 3.7 times, and this was the point it broke out of this range. You could see this. So by using this indicator, you would have been able to confirm that there was an unusual buy, and this was proof that it was a breakout, because normally when you experience a breakout, it goes with a high volume. So this would have confirmed the breakout for you, and then you would have been able to ride it to the upside. You see how powerful this indicator is. So if I switch to a lower time frame, I will show you how this indicator is able to show you areas of, you could see this dashed line is showing you areas of strong support or major support. According to the indicator, it's called major support areas. You could see these are major support areas, and if the volume is sufficient to defend that area, it will also tell you that major support defended. You see, so all you have to do is put a line on it, and you will definitely see that it's true that this particular indicator was correct, that that area was an area where major support was defended. Just remove this, and then you will see this, that this was correct. You could see this area was area of, let me just put it back, this area was area of support defended. Let me increase the threshold to 3. Okay, you could see this is area of that support was defended, and if you look at this chart, you would see that it was correct. And a breakdown to the downside, a breakdown to the downside a breakdown to the downside, came back to retest this area again before it just went, as in dropped again. So this area is a valid area of major support, and there was sufficient volume to defend it, and the indicator told you that the major support has been defended. So this is a unique indicator, like super unique, and it has been super helpful for me. I've been using this indicator for myself, and I created it just a few days ago, and the indicator have been super helpful. I even took a short trade recently using the same indicator. So what happened was this: I just added the indicator. Of course, you don't need just this indicator alone. You need other indicators, just to confirm. You don't use just one indicator, use other indicators too. Okay, so you see, this area was support defended. I've multiplied the average volume by 4 times, and it showed me this area, that the volume around this area is able to defend the support, and so it gives you this major support defended based on the volume, how high the volume is. And if you notice, correct, it's actually an area of resistance, because support broken becomes resistance, and that volume is still there because the market doesn't forget quickly. So you see, it just retested that area, and there was an unusual sell to confirm actually that that area is an area of interest, and it just came down. You see, it came down, and now this area is telling us that this is another area again that supports, has significant volume to be defended. And you looked at it, when it touched, it just started pulling down, it just started coming down, which also tells you that support defended, which means support, when it breaks, it becomes resistance. So this area is now an area of resistance, and with the way BTC has been crawling around this area, it just goes to show you that it's likely going to drop. So how do you create your own indicators? You use cloud.ai. I don't recommend ChatGPT, because ChatGPT doesn't really create advanced indicators for you. So all you have to do is to come to this site, cloud.ai, and then you have to ensure you know a little bit about technical analysis, because you need to know exactly what you want to create. Without knowing technical analysis, you wouldn't know what to create. And secondly, you want to create an indicator that helps you to solve a problem that you have been encountering as a trader. So the indicator helps you to solve it. So, and that's the reason why you should create an indicator in the first place, that helps you solve the problem you're encountering as a trader. So all you have to do is to write down the indicator, and then write the kind of features you want it to have, and then you paste it in cloud, and cloud will do the rest. It will write the code for you, and all you have to do is to paste it in TradingView. You could see here, I said, can you create a trading view indicator with the following features? Detect unusual buy and sell volume, compares current volume to a moving average, and highlights when volume spikes significantly. Support defense volume. Identify areas of support and checks if buying volume is enough to defend them. Labels and alert. Display labels like unusual buy and unusual sell, and volume sufficient to defend support. You see, so it said, I'll create a trading view pine script indicator that detects unusual volume and support defend pattern. So it will create it for you. So all you have to do, click on open code, then you copy this code, you come on trading view, then you go to this maximize panel, click on this, you get to this pine editor. On pine editor, just control A, select the current code there, delete it, then you paste your own, and then you click on add to chart. Then you just save and add to chart. It will do that, to add to chart for you. You see, then when you're satisfied and there's no error, if there's error, you should let cloud know what the error is, and then if there's an error like this, okay, you could see that there's a runtime error. So it's showing error on bar 39, object position using x.log.bar underscore index. Just copy this, paste it to cloud will then correct it for you, rewrite the code again. You could see in my case, i told I told cloud it gives a runtime error on bar 65 objects, and it said let me fix it. Then it wrote another code again. I copied it, pasted it. So when you're satisfied with it after adding it to the chart, you just click on publish. Then you add a description, then you publish it. You put it on private because probably you want it for yourself, and then you publish it. So let me give an example like this. You see publish indicator, it says publish a new script, describe the script, you just add the description, then you continue. Let's just say, then you continue. Then to tell you public or private, just put it in private, leave it visibility open, then you publish script, and that's it. So I guess this has helped you. If this has helped you, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.